In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Evernote line spacing. Now, Evernote doesn't have an obvious dedicated button for line spacing like some word processors do. Instead, it relies on how you create each new line. The key thing to understand is that Evernote treats a regular enter press differently from a shift plus enter press, and that's exactly what we're going to use to control the spacing between your lines. Go ahead and open Evernote in your web browser and navigate to the note where you want to adjust the spacing. Click inside the note to place your cursor where you'd normally start typing. If you simply press enter, Evernote creates a new paragraph, which usually adds extra space between the lines. That's why your text can sometimes look a bit more spread out than you'd like. To tighten up that spacing and create a single spaced look, you'll want to use Shift plus Enter instead. Type a short line of text and when you're ready to move to the next line without adding extra space, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then tap Enter. You'll notice that the cursor jumps to the next line, but the gap between the lines is much smaller. Visually, this makes your note feel more compact and easier to scan. You can continue typing and pressing Shift plus Enter each time you want that tighter spacing. This is especially handy for lists, notes from meetings, code snippets, or any content where you want the lines close together without turning them into a bulleted or numbered list. If you accidentally press regular Enter and create extra space, don't worry. You can simply backspace to delete that line break and then use Shift plus Enter instead. It may take a little practice to build the habit, but once you get used to it, you'll be able to control your spacing very quickly. Keep in mind that this method affects line spacing within the same paragraph structure in Evernote. Regular Enter is best when you want a clear separation between sections or ideas, while Shift plus Enter is ideal when you want lines to stay visually grouped together. So to sum it up, the trick to changing line spacing in Evernote is using Shift plus Enter to create a tighter single-spaced line break instead of the default extra space you get